Hi everyone, my name is Grace and I'm a librarian here at McAllen Public Library. And today I'm going to talk about an app website that can really help you out, especially if you're in quarantine and you don't know what food to make. So due to the coronavirus, many people are practicing safe social distancing by limiting their visits to the grocery. So today, this app is basically going to be helping you find recipes with whatever you have left in your fridge or pantry. It's super easy, super simple to use. Anyone can learn how to use it. The app is called Supercook, or the website is supercook.com, and pretend it's day 4 and you've run out of things to make. Instead of running to the grocery or even starving to death, you can go on this website or app and it'll help you choose the next thing to make without having to leave your home. Okay, first things first, you're gonna open the app and then just gonna hit get started. You can choose any of these ingredients by clicking on them, and as you can see, I'm just scrolling down to show you all the different categories. You can also use your voice. Carrot, apple, orange, and you say what you want to add, and then when you're done you just click on that square button again and it will add all the ingredients you said, and it will, as you can see, it's highlighted all the ones that you said out loud. You can also click on whatever you want manually with your fingers, and if you don't want them, you can deselect. And when you're done choosing everything you wanted, you hit see recipes, and right there you can see it's building your menu. On top it says you can make 48 recipes with your 5 ingredient. You can browse what you can make with the other ingredients you used. Okay, you're going to hit the see all 48 recipes, and it shows you all 48 recipes that you can make right now without having to purchase anything. You can also see on the middle it says do you have, and you can add, the parsley, vanilla, strawberry, sugar, chia seeds, and then it'll build a menu again. And as you can see, that it says you can make 271 recipes with the 12 ingredients that you picked. Up top you'll see video only. You can click on that to only see recipes that show video. If you click on key ingredients right next to video only, you can highlight what you want as the top ingredient, and it will give you more recipes based on that. You can choose the meal type. For example, you only want breakfast foods. Another cool thing you can do with this app is on the bottom right hand of the screen you'll see the shopping list. You can add anything you want there for to buy in the future. Here I wrote cucumber, and when you enter it, it enters it right there. When you're done with it, you just click on that garbage pail sign and it empties. Thank you so much for watching and learning. Next week I will show you how to use the website. See you then. Bye.